Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the names of all the antivirus that are already installed in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Antivirus Searcher by Sensky. On the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the right side releases. Just click on it. Now just click on this antivirussearcher.exe file in order to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click the software installer. So finally the scan has been completed. Now you can see here with the blue indication, as you can see here, I have two different antivirus that has been already installed on my respective Windows computer. As you can see the first name and you can see the second name here, right? So if you have a multiple antivirus already installed on your respective Windows computer, then by using this application named as Antivirus Searcher by Sensky, you can easily find out the names of all the antiviruses that are already installed in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.